Welcome to Last Week in Science, Wayne Hills' one and only science news show. I'm your host, William Logian, and in this episode, I'll be covering Peruvian bees, bird flu in Antarctica, and the first sighting of a newborn great white shark. Considering everything going on in this episode, this might as well be Last Week in Zoology. After this break, I'll be talking about a group of bees that seem to have found themselves in a sticky situation. South America is home to stingless bees. Unlike their European cousins, stingless bees do not have stingers. Shocking, I know. That aside, they also serve an important ecological role as local pollinators. As their habitats are being turned into 2x4s, it's not too surprising that Peruvian stingless bees are disappearing. So how are we trying to help them? As far as Peru's government is concerned, the bees are on low priority. Saving bees for the sake of biodiversity does not interest most people. However, indigenous Peruvians have found a taste for honey. Beekeeping is actually very healthy for all parties involved. As it becomes more mainstream, experts are hoping that the government will fund beekeeping programs, which would help maintain bee populations and support Peru's rural economic sectors. On another note, our flightless friends in Antarctica seem to have caught the flu. More on bird flu after this break. In a concerning development, the lethal H5N1 bird flu has been identified in Antarctic penguins for the first time, with 2 Gen 2 penguins found dead on the Sea Lion Island in the Falkland Islands. The virus, previously unseen in the Antarctic region, poses a significant threat to penguin colonies, which lack immunity due to their isolation from other birds. Penguins, who already face multiple threats such as climate change and pollution, are now met with this new problem. Over 200 Gen 2 chicks have been reported dead or dying, raising fears about the virus's impact on the delicate ecosystems of the Antarctic region, critical for millions of birds and mammals that live in the water. As scientists monitor this situation, concerns linger about the potential undetected spread of the virus on the Antarctic mainland. Cases like these, where foreign viruses affect isolated ecosystems, are an aspect of the ecological shadow cast by humans that tend to be overlooked because of pollution and deforestation. On a more positive note, after this short break, I have information on the first baby great white shark we've ever seen. In a groundbreaking discovery, wildlife filmmaker Carlos Guana and UC Riverside biology doctoral student Philip Stearns captured a rare glimpse of a newborn great white shark near Santa Barbara on California's central coast. The approximately 5-foot-long shark, observed shedding its pure white embryonic layer, provides valuable insights into the mysterious birthing habits of great whites. The duo's observations, documented in the Environmental Biology of Fishes journal, challenge long-standing assumptions about where great white sharks give birth. While some speculate births occur farther at sea, this newborn's proximity to the shore, roughly 1,000 feet from the beach, suggests shallow waters as a potential birthing location. The researchers believe the shark's size, shape, and the presence of large, likely pregnant, great white sharks in this area support their conclusion. The discovery offers a unique opportunity to study and protect this endangered species, emphasizing the need for further research and potential legislative measures to preserve these critical waters for the thriving of great white sharks. That's all for this episode of Last Week in Science. Thanks for watching, and tune in next episode for more science.